Today I want to show you how you cut ceramic tile when it's in place. What we're doing is we're going to replace the bathroom vanity, and we need to cut 3/4 of an inch of ceramic tile off. So the first thing we want to do is make our mark. I've measured this out. It's at 3/4 of an inch. So what you want to do is you need a good diamond blade, good ceramic blade. It's key to the job. It's most important. Next thing you know, it's going to create a lot of dust. It's going to create a lot of noise. So I suggest ear stuff. Have a fan blowing some of the dust out the window. But what we want to do is we want to keep it wet. Helps keep the dust down. And start cutting. Now we're going to make a lot of dust going forward, so I always want to cut on the upside. This way I can see my lines. It's going to throw the dust back at me, and this way I can see the lines and the dust won't cover the lines, so I can get a straight cut. And don't forget to wear your safety goggles. Once you got your cut, take a little chisel, pop it up, and the pieces come out like that. How easy is that? How simple? We got our 3/4 inch cut, and we're ready to go. Put some water down. I also had to take a 1/4 inch of the molding off, and so I was able to cut it. Cut it, and I'll just notch that out. Get the 1/4 piece out, and we are good to go. So there you go, you got a nice straight line. I gave myself 3/4 of an inch, but I only needed a 1/2 inch. This gives me a 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch for the grout line. If you want to clean it up, just take your chisel. Gets all the extra pieces and gives you a nice straight level finish. So when we place the vanity, we know it's on level ground. Okay, now the side pieces, same thing. We got to measure our points. So we're going to measure it, mark a point, straight edge, make our line, mask up, water on. Stop breathing in my mask. Let's make a cut. Chisel out. Look at that. comes right up, right out. How nice is that? Our wood piece comes right out. We'll just have to chisel that out. Very good. And we are ready to set the cabinet. Now, we got to clear up some of this cement. All right. Yes, we do have to do the corner, so we'll have to just double check that. Okay, now because the blade's round, we're going to have to watch this end, so we don't want to go beyond the mark. So it's going to be a precision cut, very careful. We've got to keep an eye on it. How's that? That came out nice. Now we got a little corner there where we can just take our chisel and just ever so slightly and because we gave ourselves a 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch for grouting, we could live with that little section down there. There you go. How to cut your corners. There you have it. How to cut the ceramic tile that's already in place if you have to do an extension. Hope this helped you. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Deininger with another backyard project inside the bathroom.